Gates. I have a little backyard, front yard here, and they plant some bananas. That's a driveway. Got a big tree over here and some other smaller trees. And that plant, I'm not sure what plant is that. Little bananas. And over here, you have another place you can just go over there and relax in a chair, read a book, whatever. And I'll show you the backyard in a second. So that's the front. I have a beautiful tree over there. They have a swinging bench here. You can just sit there and chill. And there's a backyard here. In Africa, you wash your clothes and hang them out there.